Well, my guides just put me on a bull, and I think we just got him. Bub's up there, finished looking, making sure. So we're gonna go and check and see. I don't know, my guide said it was a shooter. Nothing under 60. But we'll see what he is. First thing Tuesday morning. Right at shooting time. There's my guide. He tracked them through the swamp, over the mountain, into this chopping. It's a pretty unbelievable shot. We just ranged it at 310 yards freehand, facing head on, which I don't like to shoot animals like that, but we had no choice.
You know what he did? How I lost him for that few minutes? There was that calf right there, and the cow was still back here. He laid down.
Did he?
Yeah.
And when I called, he got up.
Called, he stood up, and
when I called, he got right up.
he had laid right down because I lost him.
Yeah.
He called and
there was a calf with him too.
Yeah, right up close.
Yeah.
Just a tiny little thing, man.
Yeah.
Cool. Good shooting, Cam.
Yeah, he was looking right straight at me. I didn't want to shoot him. But I didn't know what he was going to do once he saw me.
Nice palms on it.
Huh?
Nice palms on it.
Holy crap.
Good size bull.
The size of the hoofs on him.
Go check his eyes.
Yeah.
Open. What's that mean?
Well, just
Yeah,
see if
just
they
go
move.
poke his eye.
His eyes ain't moving.
Huh?
His eyes not moving.
Make sure they're not moving.
Poke his eyeball. Get around front.
You fucking poke his eyeball.
Grab the gun.
Yeah. So he's done.
That's it, boys. You did it. He's done.
He's good on.
Yeah, there's a stump again. I told him it was fucking a half an hour before time. I said there's 2 moose there. Nah, it's just a stump.
Stump.
That's good. Cool.
He ain't 60. Not as big as I wanted, but
What's wrong with that? It's
Nope.
moose.
it'll do.
Big body on it.
Huh?
Yeah.
Is that where I hit him?
He's dripping,
It's
yeah.
leaking there.
Did you hit him the second time, too?
I don't know.
Hind end.
I didn't want to. Well, I almost shot a
Yeah.
third time, but it was in the hind end, and I waited because he stopped. So I knew that he was. I didn't want to shoot him in the
What was
hind.
it when he first shot?
I was on the road. He was up there probably.
15 feet.
Yeah,
Not very far.
he wasn't too far.
There was more on that side. Once you started calling, I could hear him breaking sticks.
Another one down there.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Very good.
All right, shut this off.